In a previous video, I showed you how to generate a number between 1 and 100, and people are asking me, how do I do this, but for a bunch of different ranges? So when I did this video, it was just, here's one number in one cell, but what if we have a bunch of numbers, we want to just generate them randomly right away, and it could be like 2 by 6, or we want like 3 columns and 5 rows, or 10 columns and 100 rows, whatever the numbers you're doing. Let's see how we can do this. And we can do it in one simple formula, which is RANDARRAY. But we're going to need to do a bit of work around it. So we can say, hey, here's how many rows we have, 2 rows, a comma, how many columns we have. Right now we have 5. And we can put any number we want here. It could be 200, 2,000, whatever. We're going to do 2 by 5. And if we hit enter, we get a bunch of crazy numbers. Let's try to see these numbers. They are a random number between 0 and 1. So how do we generate the number, like an integer, like an actual normal number we want? Well, we're going to have to do a little bit of work. We can put int around this or round down, totally anything you want. But also, at the end of this formula, we're going to have to do times whatever number we want is our maximum number. So like, let's say we do 0 through 100 or 0 through 1,000. We put the number 1,000 here. And then we close parentheses. I'm going to hit that, but you see there's something missing, right? Well, one is that it is only one cell. So how do we get this RANDARRAY that was 2 by 5 before, but we wrapped it with this int or integer? Well, we wrap everything with array formula. We put parentheses around that, and honestly, that is like magic. It feels like magic. We're just going to format these the same, but gosh, it feels like magic to do this one formula here. And now anytime I edit any cells, any spreadsheet, it's going to change. It's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. See, they're changing every single time. But this is so cool. I can generate these formulas. I can generate this formula, generate these numbers, select them all. I'm going to do copy, and then I'm going to do paste special values only to get just the values, the random values alone. And that's a pretty cool way to get a ton of different random numbers. In this case, it was between 0 and 1,000. But you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. You just can't do everything. Isn't that fun? You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.